Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your base wallet showing an old balance, missing a recent deposit, or displaying the wrong amount even though the transaction went through? Here's the fix from iPhone settings. First, go to your settings and then turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This forces your iPhone to and rebuild its network connection, which often clears a stock cached balance that Base has been displaying instead of pulling the live data. Next, fully close Base by swiping it up and away from your recent app, then reopen it. This forces the app to do a complete refresh of your account data rather than showing what it had loaded previously. Go to settings once again and scroll to base or directly search for it, and make sure that background app refresh is also turned on so the app keeps your balance data current even when it's closed. Also, in the settings itself, go to general, then scroll down to date and time and make sure that it is set to automatically. An incorrect device clock can cause syncing issues with the blockchain data and lead to balances appearing outdated or incorrect. After these steps, your balance should reflect the correct current amount. So, all you gotta do is toggle airplane mode to reset network, force close and reopen base app, turn on background app refresh, and check date and time is automatic. Balance will show correctly, and that's it. Subscribe.